Hi, I'm Lucy. I work in the Consumer Council Energy team. Shopping around for energy can save you money, whether you pay as you go or receive a bill. There's a number of different energy suppliers in Northern Ireland, and they offer a different range of payment options and tariffs, so it's always worth checking. Some suppliers will give you a special offer where you pay over a fixed term period. Switching is easy, and there's no interruption to your energy supply. It's simple to switch supplier. You just need to contact the supplier you want to change to, and they'll do the rest. The Consumer Council has an energy price comparison tool to make sure you're on the best rates to suit your needs. If you want to stay with your current supplier, you can check and see if they've got any cheaper tariffs on offer. It's useful to know what tariff you're currently on and how much you're spending. The comparison results will show you the best deals available in the order of the most money saved. To use our free comparison tool, you can visit the Consumer Council website, but if you prefer to speak to someone, you can call us and speak to one of the team.